The BUTY BULU Cordless Vacuum Cleaner offers a powerful cleaning experience with its impressive suction capacity, effectively handling various surfaces from hardwood floors to plush rugs. Equipped with an advanced 4-stage filtration system, this vacuum ensures that 99.97% of dust and allergens are trapped, promoting cleaner air and a healthier home environment. Its long-lasting battery provides up to 50 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, making it ideal for large areas or multiple rooms without the need for frequent recharges. This vacuum comes with versatile attachments, including a 2-in-1 dust brush and a long crevice tool, catering to different cleaning needs from tight corners to upholstery. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the lightweight structure and comfortable handle reduce hand fatigue, while the LED touchscreen offers intuitive control over the vacuum's functions. Its quiet operation makes it perfect for homes with children or pets, allowing you to clean efficiently without causing disturbance.